Hi, everyone, and congratulations for making it to week 6 of our healthcare policy course. Just to go over the competencies for week 6, we are going to apply quality improvement principles as a component of provision of healthcare affecting the development of healthcare policies. We're going to do that by explaining the impact of the Affordable Care Act on the consumer. We're going to explore potential opportunities and risks for fraud and abuse in healthcare. We're going to define quality improvement principles as a component of healthcare. And we're going to utilize quality improvement to affect the development of healthcare policies. I look forward to reading your discussions and your papers. And as usual, please email me through Canvas or through the BayPath email if you have any questions about this week's discussion or this week's paper. And I will see you guys online. Thanks.